Let's normalize spending time making gifts instead of wasting times in long lines at shopping malls or getting overwhelmed by online stores. Every year we rush around and scour the internet trying to find the perfect gifts. What if instead we made the perfect gifts? I'm using my free gift giving ebook recipes to make amazing gifts for my friends and family. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and in this video I'm going to be sharing 4 different gift basket ideas using recipes from my free ebook. You can download my free ebook below. Let's start with a skincare basket. This is perfect for anyone who loves a little pampering. Here's what I'd include in this basket. DIY unicorn shimmering lotion bars. These are super moisturizing to the skin and leave behind the prettiest shimmer. Good Vibes lip balm or sweet mint lip balm for a pop of moisture. And our giftable decadent body butter recipe. It's rich, creamy, and smells like luxury. You can package these in a simple craft box with some tissue paper and a little note that says good skin and good vibes. My next idea for a gift basket using recipes from my free ebook is a bath and spa themed gift basket. In this basket, I'd put my Still Waters bath salt recipe. This recipe smells amazing and looks beautiful. I'd also add a few of my Rose Garden bath bombs for some fun fizz. And if you want to add some fun color to the basket, our candy cane melt and pour soaps are really easy to make and so cute. Next up is an everyday essentials basket. This basket is perfect for anyone who wants to start living a low-tox life and are just starting out on that journey. In this basket, I'd include our Stay Fresh deodorant recipe, vanilla lavender perfume, and our Defender hand sanitizing spray. Wrap these together in a reusable bag or small basket with some dried flowers, lavender or eucalyptus, and it's ready to go. Next up is my favorite one. It's a home goods basket. These recipes are to make someone's space feel cozy and inviting, and here are the recipes I'd include in that basket. Our Hope's Glow candle, where you write a meaningful message on the wick so that as it burns, the person you gift it to can remember that message you wrote for them. Our Home for the Holidays reed diffuser, or you could put in our Christmas cookie room spray recipe. And if you want to go all out, you could also add our winter cabin candle, which smells so good. This one would be perfect packaged into a woven basket with a note that says for cozy nights in. Whether you want to make one basket or all 4, the recipes from my free ebook make these baskets simple and easy to make. Each one is filled with pure, natural, and safe ingredients you can trust, because gifts made with care make the biggest impact. I'll link the ebook below so you can start making your own DIY handmade gifts basket today. Happy making and happy gifting!